Hello guys, welcome back to my channel POD with Kawa, and this video is going to be super helpful because I'm going to show 7 back to school niches on Zazzle. All these niches are popular and have low competition, which makes them best to create and sell. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now let's begin with our first niche, that is, clothing labels. Let's check it out. Zazzle has clothing labels too, and why don't we make something profitable out of it? I even saw some sellers selling these clothing labels and it's their best-selling product. You can create these for small businesses and they are also great for children's clothing. You can also create name labels for clothes, as many people would like to mark their clothes. And as you can see, you people are also making these for pets. Moreover, you can give space to add a logo of the business which will make it more customizable. I highly recommend you to try this niche. Now, after this, let's move forward to our next niche. That is students' notebook. Selling designs for notebooks can be super profitable because people now want everything to reflect their style, notebooks also. So you can create subject-wise designs or for different streams like medical students and engineering students. You can also create funny and funky designs with humorous quotes and with abstract designs. Some of the best examples are these two designs. The first one is with a periodic table, which is very important for science stream students, so they would definitely want to buy it. And the next one use science humor in a design with very suitable graphics, that is making this design a must-buy for science students. Try to make something to stand out amongst other listings. Try to observe others to see what West sellers do differently. Now let's move forward to our next product. That is the pocket folder for students. Pocket folders are quite popular among the kids and students niche, and you can make themed pocket folders for every subject and for different school activities like music and arts. Like here, we can see that people are selling designs completely based on one subject at a time. And this design here looks pretty great to me, because it looks completely like a piano. Anybody would want to buy it for their music class. Similarly, we can also make folder designs targeting different subjects and activities. You should really try out this product. Now let's check out our next product, that is dry erase boards. This product is very profitable because it's a nursery product and it has a big customer range from nurseries to parents. But that doesn't mean it is limited to kids. You can also create schedules, to-do lists, etc. with this product. And also, this product can be created for many niches. For example, you can create a notepad for music notes or a common calendar to mark important dates. And it is very easy to create as you don't need many elements to make designs for this product. And with back-to-school trends going on, it might be the best niche you can create designs for. Now let's move forward to our next niche, that is back-to-school bags. You can make a backpack design for students and teachers, and you can add flowers and sports elements to make it more appealing for them. And you can also try different themes. You can target teachers for tote bags. As you can see here, most of the tote bags are for teachers. Similarly, we can create backpacks for students and add cute colors and elements to make it more back-to-school vibe. They can be great if you could create them in different themes like cars, astronauts, and anything else walk any student likes. Also, we can create customizable designs to make them more appealing. You will not regret going for this niche. Now let's move forward to our next niche. That is Tumblr for students. Creating Tumblr designs on Zazzle right now is a great opportunity because personalized drinkware is trending, and even more among students. That's why you should go for this niche. You can create them in any theme popular among students, like sports or dinosaurs. And the best part is, like we can see here, we don't even need many elements to make it. And some of them only have 1 or 2 elements only. They are cute, they are trending, they are popular among students, and easy to create, which makes it a super great niche to make designs for. Now let's check out the last niche of this video, teacher business cards. This niche is trending right now because teaching has also become an influential job, and for that, you need to look presentable. That is exactly what this niche does. You can create designs for art teachers, math teachers, tutors, and many more. Like this design here, it's for preschool teachers, and it's super easy and simple to create. Anybody will be able to make it with just some text and elements which relates to the profession. Keep in mind that your designs should be customizable, or they won't be able to edit the names and other details. So this sums up this video. Hope this was helpful to you. And if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.